Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have something I've wanted to drive ever since it came out. This is the 2023 Chrysler 300C. This is a Chrysler 300 with a 392 V8 under the hood, which is absolutely awesome. Just such a cool car. Finished here in bright white. One of 2,000 made for America and 200 made for Canada, for a total run of 2,200. These sold out pretty quickly when they were launched brand new. That's pretty cool. So it has Hemi orange. That is so cool. 300C, I love these seats. They are awesome. So some of you may know I owned a Hellcat. Before that, I owned a TA 392 6-speed. Loved those cars. This is essentially a grown-up version of the Charger. You got leather everywhere. It's a luxury muscle car, which is kind of what they were like in the 50s. A couple different drive modes. You have custom, where you can organize everything you want. Actually, I might do custom because that seems to be the perfect setup. Sport and track. We'll do custom because that leaves my traction on. Steering and suspension in sport, with transmission and track. You obviously have all your SRT performance pages. So good. Please. Oh, I'm not gonna cut off a gigantic crane. That's not the best idea in the world. This is one of those things where this gap in traffic that I'm gonna try to find, I'm not gonna try to floor it and get a gap and get this thing sideways. I'm not doing that. Oh, I got a good gap here. ZF8 speed. One of the best torque converters out there. And I love how comfortable this car is. Like, you can sit here, put tons of miles on it, even though this one only has 6,600 miles. Going into this, it's one of those where, how do I describe this? This is, I think I would have one of these over a Charger, especially now because of the stigma the Charger and Challenger have behind it. I think this one, it's a lot rarer than any Hellcat or anything like that. Even the Demon 170 is more common than this. They made like 1,200 more Demon 170s. No, maybe regular Demons. Regular Demons, they made 3,300. I don't know how many Demon 170s they made off the top of my head. Sound system, Harman Kardon, great. Had it in my Hellcat, familiar with it, love it. 300C, man, it's been what, 3 years since this came out? Actually 4 since it was announced, and I've wanted to drive one ever since. Some people might say they should have put the Hellcat motor in this. I'll be honest with you, after owning a 392 Challenger and then a Hellcat, the 392 was more fun. It just straight up was. Because I could actually enjoy it on the street. The Hellcat is way too much power for roads like this. I would spin, even at 60 miles an hour, I would spin the tires, and it's fun for a week. And then you're like, okay, I can't enjoy this car. The supercharger whine was great. Sounded awesome. That was probably my favorite part about the car. Drag racing, it was so much fun. But for a street car and something that you want to commute to work in, this is just better in every way. It's more livable, it's more comfortable. And it's a car that I think, unless you're a true Mopar fan, you don't really know about. So it's kind of, you can fly under the radar unless you got one in like Hemi Orange. You could fly under the radar in this car and really upset some people when you floor the gas and they weren't expecting it. This thing is, oh, that was the one thing. So my Hellcat didn't have a lot of burbles above 2,000 RPM. These have burbles. All 392s do it. Anything under 3,000, you get some really good burbles. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.